Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about the events in sexual reproduction. Three events are included in sexual reproduction, that is the pre-fertilization event, fertilization and post-fertilization events. As the name indicate, pre means pehle. All the events that takes place before fertilization are known as pre-fertilization events. Fertilization is the fusion of male, this is male and this is female. Fusion of male and female gametes to form what we call is zygote is known as fertilization, and the events which takes place after the fertilization, they are known as post fertilization events, means how the zygote will be an embryo or a complete organism. Fine. Let's discuss these three processes one by one. First one is the pre-fertilization events, means before fertilization what events will takes place. It is divided into two processes, that is gametogenesis and the gamete transfer. Gameto and genesis. Genesis means formation and this is gametes. Formation of gametes is known as gametogenesis. Formation of sperms in male is called as spermatogenesis, and formation of egg, ovum or ova in female is called as oogenesis. Fine. Now two terms are there like isogametes and anisogametes. Iso means same. If the male and female gametes are similar in appearance, then it is called as isogametes. For example, in Alga cladophora, we cannot find out that which one is male and which one is the female. Both are looking very much similar. So these are isogametes. When the gametes like female and male gametes both are dissimilar in appearance, they are known as anisogametes, or we can say the heterogametes. For example, in human beings, Homo sapiens, the female gamete is very large and immotile, means which cannot move. However, the male gamete is small and motile. We can easily find out that this one is the male gamete and this one is the female gamete. So these are called as anisogametes. Simply you can say when we are able to differentiate between male and female gametes, this is anisogametes. But when we cannot find out that which one is male and which one is the female, these are called as isogametes. Fine. Now question arises, why the female gamete is large and non-motile and the male gamete is small and motile? The reason is, this is the female gamete and it contains very large amount of the cytoplasmic content. However, the sperm contain very small amount of the cytoplasmic content. Fine. Ovum is only a single. However, 300 million sperms are released during a single ejaculation and only one sperm will fuse with the egg. So obviously it will have to move. Fine. But female is non-motile. Fine. Next is the cell division during gamete formation. How gametes are formed and what is the ploidy status of the gamete. If the body is haploid, like in some organism, fungi, algae or bryophytes, their body is haploid. Haploid means they are having single set of the chromosome. Chromosomes are not present in pair and we denote the haploid body with N. So this is haploid. If the body is haploid, then mitosis will take place, and we know very well that mitosis is the equational division. Equational division means equal. That is, the chromosome number in the parent body and in the daughter cell remains same. If the body is haploid, means if the parent is haploid, then obviously the daughter cell, which is the gamete, it will also be haploid. So this is the mitosis. If the body is diploid, for example in pteridophyta, in gymnosperm, angiosperm, or in human beings or some other higher organisms, the body is diploid, then meiosis will takes place, and just like mitosis is equational division. However, meiosis is the reductional division. Reductional means which reduce the chromosome number into half. Means if the parent body is having 2n chromosome, then the daughter cells, that is gamete, will be only n. So gametes are always haploid. Whether the body is haploid or the diploid, they are always haploid. Mitosis is equational division, which do not reduce the chromosome number. However, in equational division, chromosome number remains same, but in diploid organism, meiosis takes place. Meiosis reduces the chromosome number into half. Fine. Now, in these organisms like pteridophyte, gymnosperm, angiosperm, and the human beings, this diploid body which undergo meiosis is the meiocytes. This is a very important question. What are meiocytes and what is the ploidy status of the meiocytes? Fine. Meiocytes are the gamete mother cells or the gamete forming cells. Simply you can say the cells which take part in gamete formation are known as meiocytes. Obviously their ploidy status will be diploid. These meiocytes will undergo meiosis and will form the gametes. So meiocytes are the specialized cell in the diploid organisms undergoing meiosis and producing the gametes. So gamete forming cells are called as meiocytes, and the ploidy status of meiocytes is 2n, that means diploid. Fine. Now why gametes are haploid? Why they cannot be diploid? The answer is, we know that we are having 46 chromosome. Fine, we are diploid organisms. Why we are diploid? We are having 44. These 44 are autosomes. Fine, and these two are the sex chromosomes. Fine, these 44 means 22 pair you can say are responsible for the somatic characters, and these are responsible for the sexual character. Female will be having 2x chromosome and male will be having XY chromosome. See, male and female, this is diploid body, XY, XS. Gametes will segregate X, Y, X and X. Okay. If the gametes are diploid, suppose both of these fuse, the body will be XY, XX. We will be tetraploid organism 1, 2, 3, 4, which is a chromosomal disorder. Fine, we are diploid organism like XY and XX, and gametes will be formed like this. When this X of the male fuse with this X of the female, then obviously it will be a girl. If Y will fuse with the X of the female, it will be like boy. This X may fuse with this X, or this X may fuse with this X. In both the cases there will be girl. This Y may fuse with this X or with this X. Then we will be diploid organism. I am diploid, I am having X chromosomes, okay? Because I am a girl. This X is from the father and this X is from the mother. Haploid क्या बना? Diploid. दीज आर फ्रॉम फादर, दीज आर फ्रॉम मदर। अगर ये हैप्लॉइड नहीं होते तो हम डिप्लॉइड कैसे बनते? दीज गैमेट्स एक्स वाई दीज आर हैप्लॉइड। ये हैप्लॉइड और ये हैप्लॉइड मिला तभी तो हम डिप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म बनेंगे। तो गैमेट्स अगर हैप्लॉइड नहीं होंगे तो डिप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म कैसे बनेगा? एंड वी आर डिप्लॉइड ऑर्गेनिज्म। ओके, दिस वाज अबाउट द प्रोसेस ऑफ गैमेटोजेनेसिस, दैट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ गैमेट। इसमें से इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन जो था वो यही था, व्हाट आर मियोसाइट्स एंड व्हाट इज देयर प्लॉइडी स्टेटस। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, बहुत बार आ चुका है ये। किसी भी ऑर्गेनिज्म का आपको क्रोमोसोम नंबर पूछा जा सकता है और या फिर मियोसाइट्स के बारे में पूछा जाएगा। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट है गैमेट ट्रांसफ़र, ये हम पढ़ेंगे नेक्स्ट टाइम।